So today I'll be showing you how to pair your JBL Boombox 4 with an Android phone. So I have this Android phone here, and the first thing you need to do is turn on the speaker. So just press that power button. The speaker will turn on and it's gonna go into Bluetooth pairing mode. So what you need to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of your Android phone and start scanning for devices to connect to. And from the results, you will see your JBL Boombox 4. Just go ahead and connect. Tap on pair, and now you're paired and connected. Now, of course, you're ready to listen to any kind of audio from your Android phone, but if you want more options, then you go to the Google Play Store and install an app called JBL Portable. Now, you might be prompted to save the sign-in details. I'm just going to skip that and then go directly to the Google Play Store and look for JBL Portable. This app right here. So go ahead and install this one. Once installed, launch it. And then tap on get started. You need to accept the terms of service, and then you're going to have to allow some of these permissions. Okay. And once you allow, since you've already connected via Bluetooth, it's going to detect the Boombox 4 immediately. And then now you have the app ready for more features and more settings. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.